Yes, you read the title right. Spirituality can be learned through depression. Watch the complete video to learn what is depression, how it is connected with spirituality, and how you can have a head start in spirituality if you are going through depression. But first, you should know that what depression is in the simplest possible way. Depression is the feeling of sadness, sometimes accompanied by numbness. Your interest in everything is reduced to zero. You do not want to talk, go outside, or indulge in any activity anymore. Everything seems useless, and you have no interest in anything around you. You are sad all the time, but you do not know the reason behind it. Even your favorite activities, like watching movies, listening to songs, and playing video games, are of no interest to you anymore. If you are experiencing this condition, then you are going through depression. In the previous video, we discussed how spirituality can help your body and soul to unite and roam like a bird in different worlds. Remember, all the feelings we feel or experience come from our soul. Now, sometimes our soul gets connected to the spiritual world and starts roaming in it, but it cannot establish a proper connection with our body so that it can transmit its experience to the body. Our body and soul are like hardware and software of a computer. Now, before getting connected to the spiritual world, our soul was like an operating system of a computer without an internet connection. Spiritual world is like an internet connection for our body and soul. Now our soul is connected to our spiritual world, but the body does not know. Changes start to begin in our soul. It starts experiencing new things. Our soul is free now. The things our soul is experiencing and the thing it sees through our body are very different. It is like watching a black and white movie with still images, without any sound versus experiencing an 8K version of the latest movie in a 3D virtual reality cage. But unfortunately, though our body and soul are together, there is no connection between them through which they can connect together. The soul cannot tell the body what it is experiencing, except the sad feelings it transmits to the body against the response of whatever your body is doing. Because your soul has lost interest in everything. Whatever you are doing or watching is of no interest to your soul. Because when you do something, your body tells it to your soul through brain along with how your body is feeling for that activity. Normally your soul is meant to stay in our body, so it tells the body whatever it sees and give its feelings. But now it is generating no feeling in response of whatever the body is doing. Because the soul is spiritually connected, it is not interested in anything we send it for response, and it will not generate any specific feeling. We do not feel anything against the things we do. Eating, partying, everything we do seems useless. All we want to do is sleep, because when we sleep, our soul can roam the spiritual world. It has connected. But when we get up, the soul is again locked in the cage. And we start having all those symptoms of depression again. Sometimes they last as long as we are awake. And sometimes these episodes of depression come and go from time to time. It all depends on the urge of the soul to connect and visit the spiritual world. Now, sometimes the depression goes away and you start feeling all those feelings of happiness again. You don't feel numb anymore. That is because the connection of the soul with the spiritual world is lost. Now you know everything about depression. I will tell you how depression can help you to spiritually connect with all the spiritual world. Spirituality involves two main things: making your body and soul connected, and then connected to the spiritual world. While going through depression, your soul is already connected to the spiritual world. The difficult part is already done. All you have to do is unite and calibrate with your soul. That is the easy part. Now your soul can go to the spiritual world anytime, and it can also transmit those feelings of its experiences to you. You will still have no interest in this world, but feelings which are collectively known as depression will be gone, and feelings of enlightenment will be replaced by them. To learn more about spirituality, body, and soul, and how to connect with the spiritual world, join the spiritual revolution.